Welcome back to the channel. Today on the Bondo Brothers, we're going to be assembling the chassis on Project Chief. We're going to be putting the leaf springs in and together. We're going to install the radius arms, show you how to do it the way I do it, that you won't get the Bronco lean if you take your time. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not. Throw down one of them likes. Leave a comment and tell me how you do it. Alright. Whoa!
Are you trying to tell you if you do a stocking or a 2-month? All they do is they reduce the bolts by half. Got it? They give you a 90 millimeter, but they give you the bolts are half at once, so it kind of forces the computer to think, okay, you got to stop the computer on this. That's what I had before. Yeah. And then when I had a computer, it's just a 90 millimeter that they're not tuned, and then you just tune the computer. And to inject it.
Family channel. So, you got the rear end installed, or we are installing it. By the way, everybody, this is Sabas. He's new help for the weekend. Tried to hire him as a cameraman, but he didn't want to be my dinner.
Matt's off-road recovery without the, what's her name?
Busy?
Yep.
Yeah, I agree. Caitlin's cool, but she's not Lizzie cool.
Yeah.
Not that saying Lizzie's cooler, but she can just do a lot more.
Uh-huh.
But I'm sure Caitlin will come around.
Are we gonna, or no?
No, not yet. Well, we got this installed. We're on to the next episode. Tip of the day when you're doing your radius arm, C bushings. I use little Dawn dish soap, inside, outside. Make sure you read the C bushing. It'll say front bottom or rear bottom. Make sure you put it correctly. Front bottom. Make sure you got the threads on the top for the coil bracket. You're in business. tip for when you do your C bushings. Alternate the bolts. Top, opposite bottom. Top, opposite bottom. While you're tightening them, you want to make sure that the bottom, where it pivots in the frame, are the same height. Otherwise, you'll have the bronco lean. And if that is the case, you keep redoing the one that's higher or lower till it's the same. Whoa! Got 4 inches on the passenger side. We got about 3.5 on this side. So it's all trial and error. You're gonna have to go back and loosen both of them up again until you can get them within, you know, a 1/16, an eighth of them being together. I'm gonna strap up so I can suck in the radius arm bushings in the rear. So I can put a nut on it. Alright, there's that one. Time to get the entanglement of straps. So, we put the strap on to pull the radius arm back so they slide in. Then we use a little floor jack to raise it up so we could slide it in further and get the radius arm bushings in the correct location. I learned this trick from Matt's Off-Road Recovery. Okay folks, here we got it. Front coil springs are in. Wild Horse's coil spring, lower spring pockets, 1.5 inch lift springs in the back, super shackles, heavy duty U-bolt kit. This chassis is looking sweet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button for more content on Project Chief. Next, she's gonna be mounted back to the chassis. Whoa.